Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about learning the American stock market in a very simple way, especially for beginners. In the last video, we talked about what the stock market is and how to get started. Today, we are going to talk about something very important. How do you choose your first stock in the US stock market? Most beginners make one big mistake. They randomly buy stock because someone on YouTube, Instagram or Reddit said this stock will be explode. Please don't do that. Your first stock should not be exciting. Your first stock should be safe, stable and easy to understand. Let me explain. When you are beginner, your goal is not to make fast money. Your goal is to learn how the market works without losing money. So the first rule is very simple. Only invest in companies you understand. For example, think about companies you use in your daily life: Apple, Google, Amazon, Microsoft, Coca-Cola, Walmart, McDonald's. If I ask you what Apple does, you can easily explain it. They sell iPhone, laptop, service and software. That's a good sign. If you cannot explain what company does in one sentence, don't buy that stock. Now the second things you should look at each company size. As a beginner, avoid very small companies. Small companies can give big return, but they can also crash very fast. Instead, focus on large cafe companies. Large cap companies are business worth hundreds of billions of dollars. They are leaders in their industry. Examples are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Johnson. These companies are not going to disappear tomorrow. Your first stock should feel boring. Boring is good when you are starting. Now let's talk about profits. Before buying any stock, ask one simple question: is this company making money? Go to Google and type the company name and add revenue or net income. If a company is losing money every year and only surviving on hype, that risky for beginners. Profitable companies are more stable. They can survive bad time, recessions and market crash. Next, let's talk about long-term thinking. When you buy your first stock, imagine you are buying a piece of that business for the next 5 or 10 years. Ask yourself, will people still use this company product in the future? For example, will people still use smartphones? Will people still shop online? Will people still need cloud service? If the answer is yes, that's a good long-term business. Do not worry about daily price movement. The stock market goes up and down every day. As a beginner, checking price every 5 minutes will only credits straight. Focus on the business, not the price. Another very important point is diversification. Do not put all your money into one stock. If you have $1,000, don't invest all of it in one company. You can start with 2 or 3 strong companies from different sector. For example, one tech company, one consumer company and one healthcare company. This way, if one stock goes down, the other can balance it. Now let me talk about a very common beginner mistake. Many new investors chase cheap stock. They think this stock is only $5, so its cheap price does not matter. A $5 stock can be expensive and a $500 stock can be cheap. What matters is the company value, not the stock price. So don't fall for cheap price traps. Another mistake is emotional buying. If a stock is going up fast, beginners feel fear of missing out. They buy at the top. Then when the stock goes down, the panic and sell at a loss. This cycle kills profitables. They stay calm, invest slowly, learn patiently. The US stock market rewards people who are disciplined and consistent. You don't need to be smart, you need to be patient. Let me give you a very simple beginner strategy. Start with well-known US company, invest small amounts, hold for the long term. Keep learning every week. That is it. You don't need complex strategies. You don't need trading signals. You don't need predictions. If you follow this approach, you will already be ahead of most beginners. In the next video, we will talk about long-term investing versus short-term trading and which one is better for beginners. If this video help you, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for simple and honest stock market education, and comment below which US stock you are thinking about investing in first. See you in the next video.